Hi everyone! So I have a video. It's a completed project share, and this comes from easyartcraft.com. So I had done a haul video on these. They did send me these to use and review, and now that they're all done, I'm going to share with you. So here is my Yoda, and this one is the thick one because it does light up. These are my new favorite. I can totally see myself getting these every single time from now on. They're just gorgeous. I love how thick they are, so they feel nice and sturdy. I don't feel like I'm gonna break them. And then they light up. Like, who doesn't like something that lights up? I know I do. I love playing with like the little like glow sticks that the kids have. Like, that's what this kind of reminds me of. It's just like have a fun little party. So aren't those beautiful? I love these. And then Stitch is my absolute favorite right here. Then we have our little Donald Duck. He came out so precious. Just love how he came out, and he lights up as well. And then here is our butterfly. And I love that she is in blue and she lights up as well. So they do come with the ball and chain. I'll show you guys. Where did I put it? So they all came with one of these sets right here. So they are meant for you to go ahead and feed this through and then have it be a keychain. But I'm going to go ahead and do something a little different. I am going to go ahead and put a chain on it and then add some beads so it looks like a little chunky charm. But this is the whole kit that it comes intended to go ahead and put together. So you have your little ball chain, you have your little lobster clasp. Well, it's not little, it's a very big lobster clasp, which is nice. So you could go ahead and dangle this anywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and I seal these, and what I do is I use glossy accents right here, and I just pour some on top, and then with my finger I just go ahead and I just rub it all in to make sure that it's all coated everywhere. I let it dry for at least an hour, and then I'll go ahead and I'll flip it over and I'll do the other side. When I do seal them, I don't have the chain in, and then I am careful around the hole that I don't go ahead and cover that up. So if you do get some glue over it, just go ahead and take a toothpick and poke that through so that way you can still keep your little opening right there. So that is everything right there. I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link down below in the description box to their website, and then I'll leave the direct links to all these products right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.